Got one. Oh, I had one. Son of a snapper. Alright, guys. We just had one on the toad we just lost. It's alright.
I think it was just a turtle that
Oh, dang, you got one, Roman. Hold on, buddy. There you go. Hold on to it. Hold on. Hold on a second. Stop reeling. Okay. Good job.
I caught one.
Yeah, you did.
I thought it was a turtle I caught the next to. I hit some hard.
All right, son's first bass of the morning. Caught him on a little caffeine shad, or that's actually a Houdini shad by Yum. Good job, buddy. He yanked that thing right. Huh. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Good job. You didn't even know you had him, it didn't seem like.
I just heard it.
Yeah, he took off with it, huh?
And I just yanked. I was like, ooh, got him. I thought I cast it next to a turtle.
No, you cast it next to a bass, man. He was coming to yank that sucker.
Look how many minutes that was.
It was awesome, buddy. Good catch.
The way you yanked, don't use a catfish.
He yanked hard, huh?
Use a fighter. I tell you one thing, you didn't get that one.
Oh, I got one too.
Nice. Why does it look like the same fish? It looks like the same fish.
This is a different one. See his fin? He's got a big old dip in his fin, see? At the top. Alright guys, there's mine on the caffeine shad. Thanks, buddy.
Same spot.
Man. Look at you, man. You ain't been fishing in a while. Now you're figuring out how to catch these fish. You got you a new pole to rip them with. God dang, boy, you ready now, huh? Ain't no stopping you. Casting that way.
Where?
Right beside where you've been casting. See where the grass makes a dip back there? Cast toward that big dip. There's probably some fish back in there. Yeah, you can work your bait fast a little bit on the top. And if they don't eat it fast, then you can slow it down and try to go slow with it.
Like I'm doing right now.
Yeah, man, you're doing great.
Alright, try to cast through that.
That dip? Yeah. Hold on. Hey, remember what I taught you when we're casting though? Reel until this little part. Remember that part? Yep, and then grab right there. Stop. That's good. Now go ahead and grab your line and flip your bar. There you go.
Oh no.
I think that was a different cast. That'll work. Yeah, man, you working that little thing. Oh yeah, you still got him.
Second one.
Bro. I just told you, man. Oh yeah, you're gonna catch one. Don't worry. And then he caught one.
Fish was like, oh yeah.
There's another one. My son caught another one on his.
He messed my bait up.
Let me fix your bait. Oh, good job, buddy.
Second one.
Another one bites the dust.
I'm reeling. He didn't even yank it, bro.
Well, that's a pretty decent one. You were the one blowing up back there, wasn't you, buddy? There's a pretty nice one, guys, on the caffeine shed. That's a good 2 pound, 2 pounds and a quarter.
2 pounds and a quarter?
Heck yeah, bud. See ya.
He had to be the one that was splashing back there.
I think so.
You're so loud. Even I could hear him.
Yeah, guys, we're just throwing around our caffeine shads, our flukes. Having a little fun with it. I was blowing mine across the top real fast when he ate mine. I think I'm gonna get him. That old boy do it again. Did that to him. Oh, I thought he was bigger than that.
Hey, Dad, can I tell you something?
What?
He yanked your minnow off.
I know it.
Not even the hook.
There's another one on the caffeine shed, guys.
No, you have to change baits with him.
You're right. Yeah, I think I only got one more of those caffeine shads left too. That's what's crazy. I'm gonna throw a bunch of them. But I got more. I got a few different ones. They're just a little longer. Buzzbait action.
Just blew up right there. Got one too.
Yeah. A little doubled up. We done doubled up, Rowan. Alright, there's one on the buzzbait, guys. Oh man, don't put him back there.
Come here, buddy.
Let me help you. Oh, he doesn't take long.
It's a feisty one.
There you go, grab yours. Let's show the cameras ours together. Oh, come on, man. Grab his lip like you're supposed to. There you go. Now let's show the camera. All right. We done doubled up. Look at that. He caught his on a caffeine shad. I caught mine on a buzzbait. Thanks, buddy. Man, you're doing awesome today.
I think they're either brothers or sisters.
I don't know. But you're doing awesome today.
I casted it in the same spot where you casted.
Got one.
Go on.
Underspin action on him. Nice little spot on the underspin.
He's gonna go eat the shadow.